Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix and no one is showing active now in Instagram. For example, if you want to see who is online or active on Instagram, then there is no person showing here active now. Then how you can get that? For this you have to turn on your activity status. If you turn off your activity status, then no one will be able to see your activity active now, and you will also be not be able to see any other person active now. So you have to make sure that you have turned on the activity status. For this you have to click on profile. After that you have to click on settings. In settings you have to click on privacy. In privacy, if you scroll down, then here is an option of activity status. Make sure that you have turned this on. If you have turned this on, then you can see all other person which are active will be shown to you. Now I have turned on the activity status. Now I am going to check who is online. As you can see, the two persons are showing online here. So in this way you can fix that who is active now not showing. Make sure that you have turned on the activity status in your Instagram. In this way you will also be able to see other person active now status. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.